Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the clip and environment, make a full backup, and open your editor now. Once imported, set the project to the clip's frame rate and resolution so edits align precisely. Next, scrub to the first frame where the words appear and mark in /out points. This confines your work to only affected sections. Make sure to create a duplicate video layer for non-destructive work. This prevents accidental loss and lets you compare before versus after easily. Now you mask the words and track movement. Draw a tight mask around the text on the duplicate layer, then start a point or area tracker. Once the tracker locks, let it run forward and backward so the mask follows motion. This handles camera moves and object shifts. After tracking, feather the mask moderately to blend edges and apply small opacity or color matching so the patched area reads naturally. If text crosses complex backgrounds, plan frame-by-frame fixes. Finish by replacing the masked region. Use content-aware fill or clone from nearby pixels, or insert a clean patch plate shot earlier or later in the clip. Once patched, render a short test segment at full quality and inspect at 100% zoom for ghosting, color shifts, or motion mismatch. If you see problems, retrack with a smaller mask, adjust feathering, or fix individual frames manually. Troubleshooting tip: when automatic in-paint fails, plate-based cloning frame by frame gives reliable control.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.